Yes, we're still out here. Night session, West Green Road. We're still out here. West Green Road, Tottenham, Haringey. We're having our sessions, discussions, raising awareness of the race and ethnicity codes. So we've been here for quite a few hours now. We've had lots of interesting conversations. The focus today was the South Africa taking Israel to the court, the International Court of Justice. So we had some conversations about that, and we've had conversations about other things. But the fundamental theme has always been about reparations and justice for black people. Yes, so we'll be packing up soon, but it's been a great day. It's been great conversations. The reparation nation. So we're still, some of us are still here. And how you doing? You want to say something? Yeah. What do you want to say?
I like the fact that they just started the talk about reparation.
Right.
It's a big thing.
You think, you're doing reparations?
I've been hearing it everywhere in the media. People are talking about it.
Yeah.
They're talking about everyone's been paid. Chinese are paid. Jewish are paid.
That's right.
The only thing that's not paid are black people.
Exactly.
So do you think, what's changing though? I'm curious to know. What's changing?
This is a whole new strategy.
Okay.
Because these are the British international race and ethnicity codes. And so,
Ethnicity code,
yeah, that's right, the ethnicity code. So we're using it to clarify, to get reparations for black and mixed black people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we already been classified then.
Exactly.
So if they want to send the money, all they need to do is use
You're 100% you're right. That's right. So they can't say,
Oh,
we don't know who you're talking about. Because they, you do know.
they're going to say
your language.
they're going to say it's going to be difficult to be able to, map out who's black, who's white. They've already done that.
They've done it. That's right. That's right. Exactly.
So they can actually send out money to us.
Yes.
So all I need to know is my money goes into my account.
That's right.
And that's going to be like,
that's right. They're going to set up an international bank, black bank,
Yeah.
an international black bank, central bank, where the money is going to go, and then it will be distributed from
I
there.
don't want you to go to Africa because Africans
I know.
African leaders.
That's right. Look, a lot of the African leaders, they're hostages. The white supremacist terrorists, financial terrorists, have got the African leaders in a situation. So I don't complain about African leaders or this, the African leader. No, they are hostages, and we're going to set up a special team. A special team. Hostage rescue team. Yes, everything's good. Financial terrorists, that's right.
I like that sound.
Yes.
What did you call it again?
Financial terrorists.
Okay, financial terrorists.
Yes,
Anti-financial terrorists.
that's right. Hostage rescue team.
Hostage
But we've got to
rescue
rescue those African leaders.
African leaders.
That's right.
Like the
That's right.
Nigerian president.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
need rescue.
That's right. That's right.
Ghana president as well need rescue.
Yes. That's
Rwanda is fine. He's doing great.
Yes.
So African president need to rescue us well.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. You think they got money and they need to rescue.
We need to put Malema there. You know Malema?
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
that's right.
we need
Yes.
Malema there.
Yeah, that's right. That's
We
right.
take
That's right.
African president, South African president out, and then we put Malema. Malema will do better.
Especially as a special team has to work with him.
And you're gonna be part of that team, though. What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Secret operations.
Secret operations.
Right. All right. Catch you later.